I'm Greg Davis with Integrated Technology System, the manufacturer of the T5 thermal system. Some of the people using the T5 thermal system like the bright lights, 1500 lumens worth of lights. So they asked if we could build it into something to make their shields more useful and better lighting. So we put 1500 lumens built into an all aluminum enclosure that's virtually indestructible. So you can bang it into doors, walls, people. Hopefully you won't be banging into people that hard. There's no sharp edges on the front, and it's got an adjustable clamping system, so you can fit it from riot shields, plexiglass shields, all the way up to rifle bunkers. So it fits most manufacturers' shields, and you can just clamp it right onto the system, to the shield. You snap in your cable, and now you have a lighting system that you can use with a pressure switch, which is what I'm using now. You can have it steady on, you can have it strobe, you can have it operate hands-free, so you can have it steady if you want to leave it in a hallway and just let it strobe for a couple hours, you can do that. Or you can have it steady on if you just need to do some scene lighting or have other needs to just leave it on. The other thing that we built in is a safety mechanism for checking. Some people are losing their night vision or having to wait 15 minutes to regain their night vision in a SWAT truck when they test the lights because they're so bright. So if you're in the off position and you press the pressure switch, it flashes real quickly, not enough to ruin your night vision, but to know that your lights are working. In addition, you can plug in, they're modular, so you can plug in additional lights. If you want 3,000 lumens worth of light output, you can have it by plugging in an additional light module, or you can plug in a screamer module, which is again built out of that same non-destructible piece of aluminum, again with no sharp edges, and has 220 decibels of audible screamer coming out of it. So now I can take my cable, I can daisy chain from the light over to the screamer module, turn on the screamer. Now I can operate with the screamer. I can have the light in the screamer. I can have strobe in the screamer, or I can operate it all hands-free. And that's the light wall system. Now let me show you the control module that comes part of the kit. On the back, you see how the lights are daisy chained together with a cable. So you can come in and out either one of these, left-handed or right-handed. So you run your cables up the left or up the right, depending on however you like it. You Velcro to the back of the shield. It's got the battery. It's got about 2.5 to 3 hour runtime on a rechargeable battery, which most operations only last a few minutes anyway. It's got a push-to-test switch that you can check the light. It's got the bypass, so you can bypass the pressure switch. It's got the siren on or off, and it's got strobe or steady on the light. Now these cables, we built it, again we try to be cop proof in everything we do. I was a cop in the past, I know how it is. You can't plug the pressure switch into the battery control module. It's just a different connection. The same up here. These go in or out, either one, either the left or the right. You can daisy chain batteries together, and you can plug this into an AC connection if you want to leave it in a hallway for 24 hours. If say if you got a barricade situation in the back, he's either going to give up or kill himself. So you can just plug it into the AC. Any questions? Call Integrated Technology Systems at 770-307-1467. Thank you.